What is up guys, welcome back to Guide Glimpse. In this video, let's talk about how you can access iCloud photos on your iPhone. First, let's open Safari and search for iCloud photos. Click on the first option that appears, which is Apple iCloud. Next, sign into your iCloud account by tapping on Sign In and entering your credentials. You can use autofill for convenience. Once signed in, iCloud Photos will automatically open, showing you all your synced photos and videos. And there you have it. That's how you access iCloud Photos on your iPhone. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.